Hi guys, how are you? Today I want to show you how a banana plant looks like when it's got 2 nights of a frosty snap. We live in a subtropical climate here in Queensland, Australia, and we had 2 frosty nights during our winter time, and it was enough to get the flowering banana plant to this stage. How it looks like now, so basically like burned. And yeah, the other bananas, they didn't flower, they are recovering all of them now. I can show you quickly. So they all getting new leaves, which is really good, and the new flowers will come quickly. But anyway, now just showing you what I am using it for now. Basically, we already done the same with all the dry leaves. We have cut them off and have done this beautiful mulch. You can see here, this is all from banana leaves, and now I show you how quick and easy it's done. And we will also use the trunk as well. So we have cut the banana plant off. It was a huge one, 2 of them actually. They were flowering at that time. We have cut them off, and now I'm removing the dry leaves, and yeah, I will show you what I'm doing with it with a knife which I don't find here, like a simple, like a bread knife. Now you will see lots of dust. Take you with me now, and you will see within maybe 1 minute we've got beautiful mulch, healthy, organic, definitely no chemicals, no other nasty stuff, because we are not using anything which is not natural. So I got the best mulch, and this trunk will be used for the edges of our new mandala garden, which we have just finished a week ago. So still doing here some improvements, and yeah, the banana trunk will be one of them. So basically that's pretty much done. I've got a nice edge here now. Can still top up with some soil or with mulch or with compost as well, and start planting. This is the concept of the one of the permaculture systems we are using here in our gardens. I will finish the edging here with what I've got available at the moment with the banana plants, and do some more mulch from the dry leaves, and we'll start planting. And I wish you all good day and have fun with your projects, and see you next time. Please like, subscribe if you like the video, and hit the bell so you don't miss any other new videos. And yeah, so I keep working. Have fun with all your projects. Bye bye.